TDB Media. Yo, what's good, people? This your boy Terah the Barber. Just left the Las Vegas Barber Expo. One of the main reasons why I came is to get the Get Beam by Tomb 45, man. I got it. I had to have it, and I'm about to do the unboxing. Woo! Nice box. Let's see how we open this. How we open this bad boy? Okay, it's a flat. Look at that presentation. Tomb 45 presents Beam Team Cordless Compressor. Beam Team Cordless Compressor. It's like a manual. Oh, this is nice. Definitely a manual, baby. They did their thing with this. Now, take off the protective foam. Boom. We got, this is like a beaker to put the dye in. Comes with the, can we focus on that? Like a little wrench. Come on, wrench. Comes with the gun. Nice gun. Comes with the charger. Nice small charger. And inside this nice protective plastic. Oh, look at that. 2 speeds. So we got the button right here. That's the power button for low and high. On the back, there's a protective rubber that you open up, and there's a piece for the charger. Screw in the gun, tighten it a good amount, not too tight. You're gonna let that turn on, see how it's gonna feel straight out. Oh, that's nice. It feels like a good amount of air, not too much. $150. I purchased it. Why not? It's your boy Terah the Barber. Thanks for watching. Peace!